Welcome to FM channel. You all know that we are here to learn the concept of HCF and LCM. To do so, we should know the concept of prime factorization. But what does that mean? Prime factors are numbers that has all its factors as a product of primes. Before learning this concept, we will learn about factoring. Factors are nothing but the divisors of the multiple that gives the result as an integer. Here 3 is a divisor and 18 is a multiple that provides the quotient as 6, an integer. Whereas if we divide 18 by 4, we won't get a quotient as an integer. Therefore 4 is not the factor of a multiple 18. Say we have the number 24. 24 can be written as the products of 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. These are the only 4 combination for the multiple 24. Each of these number are the factors of 24. Therefore the possible divisors or factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Thanks for watching. Support us by sharing this video.